Setting a password?
Okay, don't need that.
Sore. Kiki Sarjo.
So Oren is coming by today with Aeon.
Really?
Yep.
Sorry.
Instrument setting?
They may be one.
News? 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 News. That's news. TPEG news. What is that?
It is
Well, that's what that
possible that they are wanting to discuss how much it would be for them to have Aeon stay.
Oh, right. We have to
Just to have an idea, yeah.
Family class has a lot more students. Amy, about how many students do you have in your classes in the afternoon?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like
15?
yeah.
Give or take. So you're not doubling your class size. You get personal one-on-one time. But you do get to spend time. So it's up to you. Okay.
One leg straight back.
If you're wanting a hardcore workout, one class is the one to do. More laid back, easy going. Afternoon class. Okay. If you're wanting to be able to consider yourself, AM class is the one. Okay. That I can't actually answer because it'd be the
Kitchen, not hands down. Say, 감사합니다. 누우면서 감사합니다. Oh, Marcus, good answer. Raise your hand. Raise your hand next time, Marcus, okay? Everyone say, 감사합니다. Give yourself a hand. Good job, everyone. Everybody, attention, 차려! How are you doing today? How are you doing today? Everybody, watch me. Please give me hand jumping gesture, okay? Wow, very good. Everyone together, hand jumping gesture. Okay, 10 times. Who's doing good today? That's you. Who is the most good?
Standing like that, usually like that. Wow, very good, very good. See, she's not moving. See, stay still like a statue. How about you? Wow, look at him. You look sharp. Oh, wow. How about you? Wow. Ooh, just kicking sense. Ha! Front kick.
Front kick.
Watch him. Ready? Front kick. Slowly motion. Ready? Go. Yeah. Ready? Go. Bring knees up. Point your toes down. See like that. Bring your knees up. Kick. Yeah. Ready? Go fast. Go. Like that. Go. Go. How about Jay? Yeah. Ready? Go. Ready? Go. Go. I kicking set. Yeah. Now then. Go. Very good. Go. Set. Go. Oh, ready? Set. One more time. Ready? Set. Don't move. Oh, ready? Set. Go. Oh. You together. I do one more time. Just kicking sense. Ah. Hybra. Hybra. Right there. I just say hybra. Very good. Say hybra. Very good. Hybra. Wow. Everybody watch. I just 5 type of shot. 5 times. Ready? Go. Wow. I just come down. Oh, James, we go. 5 times. Type of shot. Type of shot. Wow. Good. 3.
How much is left to do that we need to do in the back? How much is left to do in the back?
I just finished cleaning the bathroom, so I still have to clean the ASP room. The only ones left are the leases.
Okay. I'll work on that with you after the class is over.
white belt. Take white belt. This. Tiger form number 1.
Yes.
Hey, I can.
Alright, and follow me.
Colors.
White.
What color?
White.
What color?
Blue.
What color now?
White.
Yes, sir. All right. Good. Everyone, what team?
Say knife hand.
Hands up.
Yeah! Stay still. Watch
He's
my
gonna
side.
bring
When
it
you
like
type
this.
do like that.
Down. Marcus.
When I say 1,
2,
slow down.
One.
Slowly. Aim to your target. Aim to
Break
your
the
target.
board.
Aim to your target when I say 1.
One.
When I
Once
say
again.
2, slowly.
1,
Aim to your target.
I said, you're love. You're love. You're love. Ah.
Watch black belt. 1.
Ready?
Aim to your
1.
target. Aiming.
2.
2. Aim.
Aya.
3. Yeah. Yeah. Say knife hand.
Good. No.
Let's do
Ready? 1. Marcus. This T. Ready? You understand it?
Kicking sensor.
1.
Say elbow. And 1,
Aya.
2,
1, 2,
3.
ah. Good.
Very
Isaac.
good.
Marcus.
What is this?
Aeon.
What is
What
this?
if I did this?
This
Use
is
a card.
palm strike. Say palm strike. Ready? When I say 1, aim to your target. 2, aim to your target.
Good.
Kicking sensor. Ready?
1,
1,
2.
3, 2.
Aya.
Oh! Very good.
Push.
Oh, say palm
Push.
strike.
Ready? 1,
Very good.
2,
Yeah.
3. Ah. Oh, he did.
Sir. White belt please right now.
Ready?
Come
Run
to
back
left
up.
side,
Run back.
please. Set up off.
Yes, sir.
Set go. Are you ready, sir?
Yes, sir.
Ready? Go.
Head on the L. On the L.
Go. Please take the start.
Just put it down.
Thank you, Isaac. I'll take care of it. Go.
Teacher, try to fit
I know.
together.
I know. I know.
Let's again, I give you blue stripe. What is blue? Right? See, teamwork. See, teamwork. Very good. You do that. Okay. Change your side attention. Stay still. Teamwork. Wow, you did a great job. What color is this? What color is this? Blue, say teamwork. Very good, say teamwork. Steady. Everybody feet together, put your hands on your side, attention! And out the flag. attention 차렷. Everybody, when you bow, say 감사합니다, which means thank you, which means thank in Korean. Who is the loudest? 감사합니다. When you face your mom and dad, attention 차렷. Big smile. Everybody bow. 감사합니다. Let's keep it. See you next time. Let's go home.
What stripe did you get?
Huh?
What did they put on your belt? Teamwork?
Yes.
Good job.
This was fun. What's up?
Gonna get your shoes?
Pompous thing to say.
He came in here like,
He
what's
knew
up, Jeff?
me before I knew him.
It's actually true. Yeah.
I met her the morning she came here at her house before she came here. Like in a stairway.
Yeah.
It's weird. Like, excuse me, little girl.
There's not a walk of shame story in this, because if there is, I don't want to hear it.
No, he was staying the night in my brother's room.
Like I said, stay the night with her brother.
And his girlfriend.
Hi, how are you doing, sir?
You're welcome, Jesse.
Only the t-shirt.
I got your back.
Yeah. Thanks. Dude, and I started playing the Pokemon. Mischief.
Have your
Watch
taser
yourself.
back.
Watch yourself.
CJ!
On my finger.
What you doing? You found a ball? Yes? You found a ball?
No blood, no band-aid.
I have peroxide.
Sounds like a party out there. A right party. Wonder how many people are out there.
I'm sorry.
Just move. Go. She's talking to Jack Murphy's mom.
Okay.
What, this right here?
You're useless to me, you know that?
So she'll be out eventually.
You're useless to me, you know that, right?
Why?
You didn't have batteries.
I'm sorry. All I have is double A's.
Useless. You have no point to me anymore. Be gone.
There are some super cheap markdown ones recently at Kroger.
Go
She told me
downstairs
then.
Well, I
my
need them
room.
now.
and look on my floor right next to my bed. Go get my keys.
Why?
I'm in the back of my car up to right here so we can sit on it.
Why? When we have a bunch of lawn chairs on the top of the top
Yeah.
Oh, do we?
Yeah.
Even I knew this.
Amy, go. Or not.
Jeff, why do I know more things than you?
Lisa, go.
No.
She's lived here like a third of the time that you. No, not
Less
even a
than
third. Not even a third.
Like 2 weeks.
Hey!
You have
Who
not
gave
been
him
here
that?
long.
Who gave you that?
Me.
Who gave you that? Give it away! Ow!
You alright?
No, that really hurt.
Sorry, booby. You alright?
No. Really freaking hurt.
My beautiful face.
Kick or be kicked. So what belt exactly did you say you were?
Like 8 years ago.
You didn't say, I didn't say how long ago, I said what belts at the time.
Black at like 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't know what I was doing. I was like, yeah, karate!
Black at 12 means nothing if you're proving out your black belt.
So basically, he's at Daniel's level.
Rocks are gonna suck and one of us go down and hard on them.
Hey, she at least has more experience in bare feet than you probably do.
She has more experience what?
Barefoot than you probably do. Remember, I didn't even know she owned shoes for 3 months.
Oh my god, I know this song.
Alright, you're moving out of shot. Come on.
I was like trying to like march past you. Like, come back! Come back, my love! No! Feeling the power of taekwondo. This is the black belt class ends. You have no idea, that would be the entire series. You're allowed to do black belt class and stuff because you're which means when they treat you like you're gonna get your black belt. So they're just like, you're gonna end up doing it sometime anyway, so you might as well. Might as well do it now. We're a black belt. Oh, freaking black belt.
Amy, please at least open the barn so we can get the chairs out.
Oh, I didn't even like. I was sitting there like, why can't you guys do it? Didn't realize. It didn't occur to me. Oh, I'm the only one with the freaking mask. I'm not. I'm doing.
About half the size of the barn, I shit you not. In flaming that big too. Like, you can feel the heat from 20 feet away. I am too. Oh no, I'm surprised I didn't. The neighbors were watching her.
Used to be a red cross almost here. Yeah, and that big giant blue barrel has a couple of inches of water in the bottom too. So if anything happens, now everyone knows where the water is.
I say we should watch the Bonfire.
Really, Amy? Really?
Double decker. No. Double deck it. Yeah.
Easily on my butt. Okay.
Yes, she is part volcano.
I'm very logical that way.
You're playing cards. Yes.
Yes, I do.
Do you play by yourself at all?
Like getting
Apparently,
warm and, like roasting marshmallows.
I play by myself. I played.
We're gonna play cards.
I started sorting mine last night because I was going to play.
Why?
Pyromaniac. Slight impaired judgment around fire. Not good.
What are we playing? What are we playing? What are we playing? David, are you playing cards?
On fire.
I could. There's kind of one that we used to play with Louise, which is like you have to try and catch it whenever it is 2 cards that add up to 10 or make a sandwich. There's a card, different one, and then the first card repeated. Like the same card with one in between, a different one in between.
What?
It's called a sandwich.
No, because she was like, or the 2 cards add up to 10. I'm like, what? I said ERS, and then she was like, but the cards have to add up to 10. I was like, what?
I don't know what ERS is.
No,
What
you
is
won't,
ERS?
Jeff. This is a challenge. Get your ass over here.
Wait, what is ERS?
Matthew,
Get over
the
here.
Sachs twins and I started the
Get
card
over
club
here.
at Pope.
Get over here.
Off of ERS.
Hey!
Get over here.
No!
I have my Yu-Gi-Oh cards with me.
No!
Because that's what it turned into. Trust me, I went to card club.
I can't see. We can't
That's where I
see.
met you, Jeff.
Let's warm up and do marshmallows first and then do cards.
No.
Where are the s'more sticks?
I'm cold.
Well, then go sit by the fire. Jerk face.
I'm the queen of the marshmallows. They're for charity.
Here, have more big ass.
Big ass marshmallow?
I have one.
Did you have a big ass marshmallow?
No.
No, I took a bite out of that. Give that one back.
Does have s'more sticks?
Mom bought like legit s'more sticks.
I couldn't find them.
We have some in my house. No.
Hold on. Lisa. I've played in this chair. Don't let anyone else play in it.
I'll make sure David sits in it.
Hey, I'm getting s'more sticks. Hygienic freaking s'more sticks.
I left my heart in Metropolis.
Back office where like her office is, and she follows me, and everyone, like, we were laughing our asses in there while everyone inside the break room was just like, oh my god, what the fuck did she just do?
What the fuck is this from?
Star Trek.
Okay.
What's wrong with you?
Sorry.
Fail at life and
I want to jump the fire.
I was wondering too, and then you jumped on it so fast that I didn't have a chance to try and figure it out on my own.
Who else will jump the fire with Jeff?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
This is why I said no alcohol and fire at the same time. Because I knew
It's already gone.
you were going to do something like that, but the alcohol is going to make you trip.
Let him finish his thought.
Jeff, no.
Go, Jeff, go.
I will not speak to you.
A little bigger
Elizabeth,
than you thought, isn't it?
Yeah.
go for the gold.
Holy fuck, Tara.
Oh my god! It's a good thing I was recording
Is it
that.
hot?
No, actually.
I had that on camera.
This is warmer.
Oh my god.
Jeff, no.
You have like a
No.
I'm not going
white mustache and marshmallow.
No.
Jeff?
Jeff, you're wearing flip-flops. Are you an
Yeah, I
idiot?
couldn't do it. I couldn't do it.
I wanted to jump through one of those mountain fireworks once.
I jump for a
No,
living.
you did. On July 4th. Was he with us?
That was when I was in like the 5th grade, dude.
Oh, okay.
I didn't do it this last year because I did it once before and I learned not to. It hurts.
Well, last New Year's, I was at my friend's
4th
house.
of July.
No, New Year's. We're
Okay.
talking New Year's now.
All right.
We had a day of shooting things,
I know.
and then we decided to take
can jump
incendiary
farther.
rounds to
Your butt down.
Please don't tell me
spray
you put...
paint. Spray paint cans.
Oh.
They go boom.
Yeah. I heard
watch
incendiary
out.
rounds and I'm like, please don't tell me you threw those in a fire.
Yay!
Y'all
You
suck.
screamed. I thought my shirt tail was on fire. I was like, oh great, here we go.
Y'all need to gain 50 pounds and then jump that shit.
We'll just like.
I'm
roast
pretty
you
sure I could
over
like
and you'll
do it,
lose all of that.
but I don't, I'd have,
would just, like,
I would just
boom.
clear it.
There would be like a
Yeah.
Jeff implant
Yeah.
in the barn wall.
That too. It's not worth it.
Go, Jeff, go. You can do it.
No.
Worst comes to worst, you burn your crotch off. It's fine.
Or my flip flop comes off and I step on fire.
Need your pubic hair.
I'd like to keep that.
need-
All of that.
Who needs laser hair removal when you have stupidity?
$5. I chop all your hair off. Come here. $5.
What's happened?
This conversation went on for like a minute. She's like, "You sure they're all nice and warm?" And I was like, "No." Like, and I look over like pointedly, and she just goes,
That's fantastic, Lisa. You're my hero.
Jeff, stop.
What? Didn't I get a turn? I want to record. I want to do it.
You'll throw it in the fire.
I'm not gonna throw an expensive eye crap in the fire.
The fact that you called it an eye crap,
iPod. An iPod.
that means no.
"It's more like a I took all your money."
I like the Chinese muffin.
Mine?
No, hers.
Oh. I was about to say.
Jeff, you can't grow facial hair like this.
I can grow facial hair.
For the amount of use I've put into this thing, I don't mind the fact that I spent $230 on it.
It was a good investment for you.
I mainly got it because I needed something with, like, I needed something portable with internet, and I wanted something to read whenever, and I wanted a camera.
Wait, what did you do?
I went, without him seeing me, around the side of the car and back around when he had his back turned. I scared the shit out of him. He was not expecting someone to come from that side.
Yes.